In this video, I'll guide you through how to change Roblox password on PC and laptop. If you find this useful, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video.
To change Roblox password on a mobile phone, first you need to open the Roblox app and click on this more icon. Now scroll down and tap on settings and then account info. Once you come to the account info page, then click on this pen icon beside password. Now type your current password and then new password and confirm the new password. And lastly, click on update button. By following this tutorial, you can easily change Roblox password using mobile phone. To change password on Roblox PC, first to log in to your Roblox account and click on this gear icon and then settings. After come to settings page, you need to scroll down and click on this pen icon beside password. Now type your current password and then type new password and confirm the new password. Then click on update button. By following this tutorial, you can easily change Roblox password in PC.